Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Today I'm just going to kind of give you some feedback on how the car's been riding with the Fortunato coilovers. We're on the way to the tire shop. I just noticed a screw in it, so we're going to go over to WC Motoring over here around the corner, and he's going to plug it up for us real quick, real fast. Next time we swap these wheels around, I'll have him open it up and put a patch on the inside. But to me, this car's been driving just like stock. I've only rubbed one time, and it was not that bad at all. There was 4 people in the car, and we just kind of like hit a dip and it kind of rubbed. So I'm thinking maybe it was the top of the wheel well and the plastic liner. But as far as the turning and stuff, like there's no rubbing. I think we got the spec perfect. I think this is the ideal spec to run on this car. Some guys are pushing me in a little bit further, like I talked about in some of the other videos. That can be done as well, but this is a nice, clean, flush look for like the street, you know. That's where we use our cars. That's where I primarily are going to drive this thing. I think most of our customers are. Some guys are, you know, track warriors that, you know, daily drive their car, hit the track on the weekend. So you might want to go with a little aggressive, more aggressive inbound fitment. I heard you guys are fitting like 275s on those. So I'm super happy with it. The car does drive just like stock, in my opinion. Been on the expressway, been all over the place. This thing, it just rides smooth. I can't tell a difference, to be honest with you. So how does it feel like to drive on coilovers? It feels the same. It's identically the same. On our way to WC, I'm hoping like that screw does not come out. Driving cautiously, no high speeds, no spin in the tires, but I think that's in there. So for those of you guys that are local to Las Vegas, WC is kind of our wheel plug, or not our wheel plug, but mostly our tire plug. We usually bring a lot of our own wheels over there. They've actually purchased wheels from us, being an authorized Volt dealer for Las Vegas. They always take care of everybody that I send to them. Friends that have been doing business with them longer than I have, they hook it up on the wheel swap. We'll give you guys a little quick glimpse of their place. They recently moved. They were actually like right next door to us. So now they're down the street over on Helm over here, kind of in a back alley, but they got a much bigger facility. They do like it's kind of like a West Coast Customs vibe in there, man, because they do wraps, they do everything. So let's check it out. I'm just gonna show you guys, this is a full lock turn. We got no rubbing. Nice abandoned parking lot. Let's flip it around. Dizzy. The only bad thing about this place is they are closed on Saturdays. So get your business done during normal hours. I didn't want to pull it out because it was like, I'll show you the video I showed him. Pulled and I parked just like that. I'm like, oh shit. Yeah, you got lucky. So when I came up to it, it was like sticking out like that. So I'm like, yeah, I'm not gonna pull it out. That's good, it's cool. It's not bubbling, we're good. Well, we come to visit you anyways.
Right. See how the pool goes.
So this was the culprit, guys. So we pulled it out and it actually wasn't penetrating the tire. Now it might be thin there. So I'll definitely like put a patch on it on the inside later when we take these tires off and do some swapping. But no leakage, fingers crossed, we're good. This is kind of a rough road for Las Vegas. I mean, our roads are actually really, really smooth normally, but this one, it's got some bumps. We got a railroad track up here. And this thing, it rides really well. And you can tell there's like a tire on it now. You know, it's a lower profile tire, but the suspension is acting just like normal. I'm gonna hit these railroad bumps and it's like not a thing at all. So I'm really happy with the suspension. Make sure you guys check out below. I'll put a link to the Fortunatos. I think this is going to be the go-to coilover for this platform. Really super happy with it. So stay tuned for some of our future videos. We're going to dig into some further stuff. We're going to be doing some carbon accessories on the front bumper. So we're going to fully remove the bumper. We'll give you guys a full install video on how to actually remove the bumper. So make sure you guys stay tuned and subscribe, and we appreciate all you guys, and make sure you guys leave some comments below. Thanks.